Today we're gonna make a maple bourbon barbecue sauce. Therefore we need some Jack Daniel's honey, which I highly recommend, or use any other bourbon if you have, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, tomato ketchup, brown sugar, and my sweet rub, which is linked down below. Now we're gonna put all the ingredients, apart from the whiskey, into a pot. Now we bring this to a simmer and let reduce to around half before we're gonna add the whiskey. So now it's reduced to half. A little stir. It also nicely coats the spoon. So now we turn off the heat and we add the whiskey. So sauce is cooled down. Now we just put it in a jar